Hi, my name is Caroline Hodis, and I'm your Balluff Connectivity Product Specialist here at EandM. Do you need cables to connect to your sensors? Or are you looking for something to run power across your plant? Well, today I will be discussing Balluff's connectivity portfolio. Balluff offers 11 different product families that support a variety of applications. Their cabling comes in various form factors: single-ended, double-ended, and bolt cables. These are available in various jacket-type materials. This includes, but is not limited to, PVC, which is used for general automation and washdown applications, PUR, which is halogen-free, resistant to oil and flames, and is drive chain compatible, and TPE, which is high flex and weld spark immune. The Cordsets come in a variety of standard colors, including but not limited to black, gray, and yellow. Balluff also offers splitters that allow the connection and distribution between different cables. Y splitters are often used in the food industry with sensors and with valve connectors. If space is an issue, T splitters offer similar functionality but are small, narrow, and compact. If there is a need for an immediate solution, Balluff offers a comprehensive selection of plug connectors for assembly in that plant. These plug connectors can be used for cabling, but are also for field bus and junction block settings. For cabinets and closure cutouts, Balluff offers bulkhead connectors and receptacles. These are used to make connections quickly and reliably between the cabinet and the system. Bulkhead connectors are available in A, B, and D coded options and can come as an RJ45 or M12 head. Receptacles come in 3, 4, 5, 8, and 12 pin versions and are available in M8 and M12 sizes. To allow for additional flexibility, Balluff offers adapters that can quickly and reliably connect different plug designs. These come in M8 and M12 sizes and are available as Profibus valve connectors. Balluff also offers terminating resistors for bus systems. These resistors work with Profibus, DeviceNet, and CC-Link applications and are used to ensure signal integrity and avoid signal reflections. Lastly, Balluff offers multiple interface junction blocks that are ideal for settings that have coolants or lubricants present. These junction blocks are used to enclose electrical switches and outlets to the system. I hope this video provided a solid understanding of Balluff's connectivity portfolio and why you should take them into consideration. My name is Caroline Hodis, your Balluff Connectivity Product Specialist here at EandM. If you have any questions, please contact me at the information listed. Thank you so much for watching.